Is it time to replace your worn-out factory wheel hub bearings? GSP can help. GSP offers high-quality parts with OEM fitment. To replace the wheel hub bearing, first, safely raise the car up in the air, either on a lift or on jack stands. Remember, safety first. Once the car is safely up in the air, you can now remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Before you get started, you'll need to make sure you've got some specialty tools like an axle nut socket, a puller, and a torque wrench. With the wheel off, remove the brake caliper and rotor. Don't let the brake caliper dangle unsupported. Get a wire or string and tie the caliper to the control arm or the frame so there's no tension on the brake line. Now you can remove the axle nut using an axle nut socket. Before you proceed, check and see if your vehicle has any ABS sensors. If ABS sensors are present, take a few pictures, making note of their proper positioning. Disconnect the ABS sensor wire from its mating connector. It's usually located in the wheel well or on the chassis frame. With the ABS sensor disconnected, remove the bolts that attach the bearing to the steering knuckle. Care should be taken not to damage the knuckle or axle shaft. To remove the hub assembly from the knuckle, a puller may be required. Make sure to retain all of the attaching hardware. It will all be reused. Take this opportunity to perform the Gsp Corner Check to inspect all related components for damage or wear. During this inspection, we discovered a torn CV axle boot. Because we found this, we were able to repair the CV axle along with the wheel hub, saving the customer time and money. Clean the steering knuckle of any debris or burrs. Once the steering knuckle is cleaned off, you're ready to install the new GSP hub assembly. Attach the new hub to the steering knuckle. Using a torque wrench, torque the hub mounting bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Connect the ABS sensor to the new hub assembly. Install the axle nut using a torque wrench and tighten the nut to the vehicle manufacturer's torque specifications. After cleaning and inspecting, replace the brake rotor and brake caliper. Reattach the wheel and torque the lug nuts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Get an alignment to prevent premature tire wear. GSP offers quality OEM replacement parts. If you have any questions about our wheel bearings or any other GSP product, reach out to our tech department at www.gspnorthamerica.com.